Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about using less data on Instagram. If you're anything like me, you can easily get carried away on Instagram, scrolling through endless feed posts and hilarious reels until you get that dreaded text message.
You have ran out of data for the month.
Note to self, must search for an unlimited data package with my next mobile contract. Thankfully, there are actually a few ways that you can use less data on Instagram, and two of the options are simply a case of toggling a switch in Instagram settings. So, let's get straight to it. Number 1. Turn on the Use Less Mobile Data option. You will find this option in your Instagram settings. Start on your profile, and then head to the three-lined hamburger menu at the top of the screen. You will want to select Settings, and then Account. If you let your eyes scroll down the screen, you'll see a tab called Data Usage. You will find two settings here, that you can toggle on or off. The first one is Use Less Mobile Data, and that's the one you'll want to turn on, so that it turns blue, to preserve your data. As you can see from the warning below the switch, videos and photos may take longer to load when you have this option enabled. Number 2. Turn off the High Quality Uploads option. While you're in the same screen as the Use Less Mobile Data option, you might as well check out the second On/Off option. If the second, High Quality Uploads option is turned on, so that it turns blue, you will be using more data to upload in higher quality. To save data, you should ensure this is switched off. Number 3. Set a daily Instagram limit. You can actually set daily limits for certain apps, and this is the case for Instagram. There is a setting for it directly in Instagram settings. Instead of clicking on Account this time, you'll want to check the second option down, that says Your Activity. There are two tabs available here. The first is Links. This is a list of all the links you've clicked on, in the Instagram app. The second tab is Time. Here, you can see how much time you spend on Instagram, as well as set limits for how much time you will allow yourself to spend on the app each day. Once you hit that limit, a notification will appear on the screen, reminding you to close the app. You can always ignore the notification, of course, but it's a good way of reminding yourself of just how long you've been spending on the app. In order to set a daily reminder or limit for Instagram, hit Set Daily Reminder. Then, select the amount of time, in hours and/or minutes, you want to give yourself on the app per day. Once you're done, hit Set Reminder, and a box will appear in the center of the screen to confirm your choice. As a side note, you can also set time limits for different apps in the settings of your iPhone. I'm assuming the same can be said for Android and other operating systems, but I don't have those devices to clarify. And there you have them, 3 ways of using less data on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.